back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. It's my birthday weekend, so I'm going to be going to the beach today. First, let's rewind to last night. I'm going to the beach tomorrow, so you know I need to use my Cocoa and Eve to get a little tan going. It has been applied. I'm now waiting for it to dry a little. It's the next day and I think my tan came out so good. I just took a shower and rinsed it off and I put on some body lotion. I always like to lock it in with body lotion and I'm really good about applying that every day. And it lasts like 10 days, like it's crazy. So it looks so good. I was at the gym last week and I had just done it and someone was like, "Oh, you're so tan, where did you go?" And I was like, "My bathroom." She was like, "Oh my God, it looks so natural." So I just am loving so much the Cocoa and Eve tan. I do have a discount code with them. I will put it on the screen. It's just K. So if you want to save 10%, you can use that. But I just love it. I think it's amazing. And it definitely has boosted my confidence. Quick outfit of the day now that I'm dressed. This is just a little tank top from Banana Republic. My swimsuit is J. Crew. And then I just got these shorts yesterday from Charlotte Russe. They're so cute. They have a little button there. They have little buttons on the back pockets. These have a drawstring. I also got them in black. And they were $10. They were normally $20, but they were half off. I don't know why. And then I have my purse that I won from Morgan. I love it so much. I've used it already a bunch and I literally already got compliments on it. Look how cute that is. So loving that. So thank you, Morgan. I'm so excited. So if you didn't know, I won her giveaway and she picked this color out for me. It was so exciting. And it was my birthday last week and it arrived, so I opened it as like a birthday present. So thank you, Morgan. So yeah, now I'm going to just do a couple things before we go. I need to walk my dog and stuff, and then we're gonna go to the beach. I'm so excited. This company, Javy, sent me some cold brew concentrate to try. So I'm gonna make that. It comes all wrapped really nice, which is good. So you know it won't break in shipment. All right, so it is all Arabica beans. They do say on their website that it's made from organic, fair trade coffee, which is really important to me. So it looks like 1 to 2 teaspoons and mix it with your favorite liquid for a perfect cup of coffee. It's highly concentrated. Okay, and then look at these straws. This is so awesome. All right, I got my supplies. So I have 1 cup of filtered water. Got some almond milk to add in a second. I've got a teaspoon here. Here we go. That's really good. It's like kind of like a nutty flavor. Oh, I like that a lot. That would be so convenient. I was thinking like for work, I could literally just have that there. And then anytime I want to have coffee, like it's ready to go. Ooh. That is actually so good. I was kind of like not sure what to expect because I've tried the Trader Joe's one and I didn't love it. But yeah, that was really good. So I will have Javy linked down below if you want to try it out. I love how it was packaged. I love that it's more sustainable. I've been trying really hard not to buy as many coffees out. Like sometimes in my vlogs I buy a coffee, but that's like a special occasion. I usually only buy a coffee like once every couple weeks. Normally I make my own. So this will definitely be a nice alternative to stopping at Dunks and Starbucks, and I like that it's organic. When it comes to coffee, I feel like that's super important and definitely fair trade. So I love that. I will have Javy linked down below. And thank you, Javy, for sending this my way. And I love the straws. I know I'm gonna use them all the time. Very busy here. It's hard to find parking. We just had to walk so far to be near the bathrooms, or not even that near, but just like within range of them. Oh my gosh, we made it. Now I'm here. Just went boogie boarding. Woohoo! It's so fun out here. There's a rescue underway. We just had to go get these girls out. Wow. Well, it's definitely getting a lot rougher. We just saw a rescue. Thank God for awesome lifeguards jumping into action. There were these girls with boogie boards and they were like basically stuck out there. They looked like they were above water, but lifeguards saved the day. We're looking for lunch. Airbrush. Yeah. chocolate chunk, chocolate chip cookie dough, and an M&M cookie. really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video soon. Have a great day, stay positive, bye!